This is a pop-up aluminum foil folding machine manufactured by ZXJ Machinery, designed for the production of pre-cut aluminum foil sheets, pre-cut hamburger wrapping paper, hairdressing foil, and related products. This machine is a patented model independently developed by ZXJ Machinery and is available in two versions, a F680 and a F980. A F680 features a roller width of 680 mm and supports a maximum raw material width of 610 mm. A F980 features a roller width of 980 mm and supports a maximum raw material width of 915 mm. The finished product width is typically 9 inches or 12 inches. For 9-inch products, the AF980 model can operate in 4 lanes simultaneously, significantly improving productivity. The machine capacity is 400 to 500 sheets per minute per lane. The machine can also be customized according to your specific requirements. The standard version is controlled via a meter counter and frequency inverter. The advanced version is integrated with a touchscreen control system and can be optionally equipped with safety light curtains. The machine offers high counting accuracy with a deviation of approximately 5 sheets per 500 sheets. An optimized pneumatic structure further improves energy efficiency and reduces air consumption.
Follow for more factory informations.